What drives the complexity of taxation systems? This video unravels the intricacies of the UK taxation framework for the year 2025 to 2026. Explore how legislation shapes tax collection and its impact on individuals and businesses. The assignment focuses on taxation systems and governing legislation. It is a written report assessed individually. The UK tax year 2025 to 2026 is the reference point. Grading includes pass, merit, and distinction criteria. Only one submission is allowed without resubmissions. PEARSON BTEC follows a strict single submission model. Attempting all criteria is essential for a higher grade. Missing merit or distinction attempts caps the grade at pass. Assignments 2 and 3 cannot compensate for missing criteria here. Understanding these rules is crucial for success. You are a tax compliance analyst at Harper & Cole Advisory Limited. Your task is to prepare an internal briefing report. Explain the operation of taxation systems. Analyze how legislation governs tax collection. Support junior advisors and business clients in understanding these systems. The primary learning outcome is to analyze taxation systems and their legislation. Understand the purpose and function of taxation in a modern economy. Examine the UK taxation system's structure for 2025 to 2026. Compare it with other national systems. Provide recommendations for effective taxation systems. Past criteria include analyzing taxation systems in a modern economy. Consider the impact of legislation on national taxation systems. Explain taxpayer obligations and consequences of non-compliance. Apply analysis to both individuals and organizations. Use the UK taxation system as the primary reference point. Merit criteria involve critically analyzing taxation systems in different countries. Compare the UK taxation system with countries having close economic links. Evaluate similarities and differences in tax structures. Consider the impact on businesses and individuals. Demonstrate analytical depth beyond mere description. Distinction criteria require supported and justified recommendations. Focus on developing effective taxation systems and legislation. Address key principles like fairness, efficiency, and transparency. Consider taxation in a global and international context. Support recommendations with academic and professional evidence. Taxation serves several purposes in an economy. It raises government revenue and redistributes wealth and income. It regulates economic behavior and funds public services. Additionally, it supports social and economic policy objectives. Understanding these functions is crucial for analyzing taxation systems. The UK taxation system includes direct taxes like income tax and corporation tax. Indirect taxes include VAT and excise duties. Revenue and customs play a crucial role. Self-assessment and pay systems are integral. Compliance obligations and penalties deter non-compliance. Key legislation includes the Income Tax Act and Corporation Tax Acts. The Finance Acts are updated annually. The VAT Act governs value-added tax. Anti-avoidance legislation ensures compliance. These laws shape the UK's taxation framework. Compare the UK system with EU member states and other trading partners. Differences in tax bases and rates are significant. These differences impact cross-border trade and investment. Consider the implications for multinational organizations. Such comparisons highlight the UK's unique tax challenges. Trade blocs and economic agreements influence taxation. The OECD principles and BEPS framework are pivotal. Double taxation agreements prevent tax overlap. Harmonization versus national sovereignty is a key debate. These factors impact domestic tax policy significantly. Effective taxation systems ensure fairness and equity. They maintain efficiency and simplicity. Transparency and compliance are promoted. They support economic growth and competitiveness. Balancing national interests with global cooperation is essential. The report should begin with an introduction and purpose of taxation. Discuss the UK taxation system and legislation. Include an international comparison. Analyze global trade and taxation influence. Conclude with recommendations for effective taxation systems. Use a professional analytical report style. Reference academic, professional, and legislative sources. Apply Harvard referencing consistently. Avoid structuring the report by assessment criteria. Plagiarism and academic misconduct are strictly prohibited. HMRC provides guidance on the UK tax system. The UK Finance Acts for 2025 to 2026 are essential. OECD resources cover international taxation and BEPS. TOLI's tax guides offer detailed insights. Utilize Pearson HN Global Learning Resources for comprehensive understanding. HM Revenue and Customs is central to UK tax administration. It oversees tax collection and compliance. Self-assessment and pay systems are managed by HMRC. It enforces compliance obligations and penalties. Understanding HMRC's role is crucial for effective tax analysis. International agreements influence national tax policies. They affect cross-border trade and investment. Double taxation agreements prevent tax duplication. Harmonization efforts face challenges of national sovereignty. These agreements shape the global taxation landscape. Recommendations focus on fairness, efficiency, and transparency. Effective systems support economic growth. Balancing national and global interests is key. Recommendations should be backed by academic and professional evidence. This ensures robust and justified tax system improvements. Through detailed analysis, you now understand UK taxation systems. The report highlights key legislation and international comparisons. Recommendations aim to enhance fairness and efficiency in taxation. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748436168.